Ay ka. Kasi sakari.
Sakrian.
Mapara kayo na dali. Ikaw na, gusto mo na yan.
Bagong-bagong saging na sarap.
Ang galing oh. Ay, tara. Skincare time. Ito nga pala yung gamit niya simula nung pinanganak siya. Ang dami ng empties nito ni Raika. And ayan. Ayan lang ang nagpapakinis sa kanya. Lalo na nilalagay ko to guys sa mga kagat-kagat niya. And ayan. Skincare muna. Kagat ka ng lamok. Huh? Morning. Ang palablab ko. Morning. Hello. Pugi naman na sobra. Yan ah. Ay, Diyos. Dali, paditi. Ay,
nag-support sa akin.
paditi.
Hindi naman niya kailangan makipagkulang sa akin. Dahil sobrang peak ng sikat niya nun. Pero nakipagkulang siya sa akin. Through the help of...
Ay ka. Aray. Aw. And then, I began creating content in 2016, starting with a simple tour vlogs. What started as a casual hobby soon grew into a genuine passion for video production and storytelling. Although I wasn't consistently active at first, I eventually decided to pursue content creation more seriously because I found my immense joy in creative process. When I transitioned into a corporate role, I continued producing content on the side over the years. I have created 559 videos and accumulating a total of 3,996,157 views. On committed to my creative work, which I allowed me to develop strong skills in content. Despite balancing a full-time job, I remain committed to my creative work, which allowed me to develop strong skills in content creation. video editing, audience engagement, and social media strategy. I've had the opportunity to collaborate with others and engage with the diverse online community. I've now made a promise to myself to return to full-time content creation as it continues to be a fulfilling space to grow in creativity and meaningful connection. Personal skills. Since I started blogging, I developed an interest and understanding of photography. It began simply, but I gradually gained knowledge that became valuable in my content creation journey. Every time I post, I personally take all my photos, OOTDs, flat lays, and even videos. I also edit all my content myself. Creativity. Creativity truly comes alive whenever I see inspiration. This is process of creating from concept of execution has taught me a lot and continues to be a meaningful part of my journey as a content creator. From the beginning, I have been filming and editing my own videos. Over time, I explored and learned to use various editing apps to improve the quality and creativity of my content. Sagaro. Isa na. Ano? Ano? Ni-wrestling na sila. Wawa na mo si Riker na wrestling mo, te. Ta. Okay mo si Be. Gisa na si Be. Kawa ko siya. Bakit mo siya aawa? Aaway mo ba siya? O hagla si brother. Ano wrestling? Wawa naman sila. Si Marky. Si Marquito. Si Tuwa. Si Marky. Wala. Napalto. Nagulat ka. Ano na? Paiba-iba yung mood, te. More than anyone, darling, you know that I had from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. I'll be over at 10, you told me time and again, but you're late. I'll wait around and then I'll run to the door, I can't take anymore. It's not you, you let me down.
I'll make you happy, I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting.
Ang galing na tayo mag-isa. Ang galing na tayo mag-isa yan ah. Oo. Happy birthday. Lu! Riker. Andito mami. Riker. Ito mami oh. Arte mo? Nagdadrama ka. Ha? Asus? Boang.
Ten. Iyak siya. Ano ba yan?
Wala kalkal. Stop! Lakdang. Riker. Kere. Riker. Ginagawa mo. Watu. Isa pa. Ay, isa pa. Watu. Arot ah. Okay. Ano hawak? Tulogin mo na yung mami mo. Ay mo matulog, diba? Mami mo na lang patulogin mo. Meme na si mami. Patulogin mo na mami. Babe. Dali.
Tapos ang naging pagkali wala pang ilang buwan, jowa niya yung best friend.
Nakabol. Sipod. Ay, ba't kaya yung kilay po? Ang padidi. Matusok ka na estro, anak. Naike. Naike. Pogi anak ko ah.
Lang kami. 2 AM pa lang nandun ako sa aral mo.
Naike.
Makapagsabi.
Ay, pogi.
Hindi ko na-expect na nakakapasok. Pero nakapasok ako.
Call mo na si Avery. Call mo, Avery. Call mo na, dali.